How to get API credentials for PayPal integration into your website. Now, this is just fancy talk for integrating payment channels so you can collect payments on your website. Now, the first thing you want to do is get a PayPal account. If you already have a PayPal account, you want to have a business PayPal account. Now, this is for the people who have the business PayPal account. Now, you want to go to paypal.com/sign in. Google it. You could just go to paypal.com and sign in or log in. If you don't have an account, you want to sign up, like you can see, so that you sign up or you log in. I'm logging in. I already logged in, so it's pretty easy. You can see this is how home looks like. Now, what you want to do is go to activity. Like you can see activity, we're on activity. You want to click on API access. This is a very pretty easy tutorial. So API access, and we're already there. We're almost done already. You wouldn't believe it. So you want to click on manage API credentials. You can see how I'm scrolling, just so you can see it. All you want to click on is manage API credentials, like we said earlier. Now you clicked on it, and this is what you want to click on. You see this page. You want to request API signature. You want to agree and submit, and you are practically done. Sometimes you might be asked to confirm your email, and if you're not asked to confirm your email, just click on it, and voila, this is what you need. This is exactly what you need. Just click on show, and send it via email. Do not send via WhatsApp. Send via email to your developer. Send to MAO Digital Solution, and we will integrate it. We'll do the rest. It is this easy. So that's literally it. You are done. You are done. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. Thanks for watching. Once again, MAO Digital Solution is your best family for visibility, making more sales online for your business, whether it's through website design, digital marketing, and many of the other online things that are necessary for your growth.